It's a 2017 Lexus NX. By combining intuitive technology with a design that is aggressive outside and comforting inside, this NX takes the crossover beyond utility. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, smart device navigation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its class-best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Enjoy luxury and a stress-free car shopping experience at Lexus of Wayzata. We're conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.